The next thing that is online right now is the fact that they want the vice president to debate on behalf of the president. And so you know what? This President Muhammadu Buhari's administration seems to think that all of us are mumu. You understand? Fool us once, shame on you. Fool us twice, shame on us. How are we going to agree that the Vice President, Professor Osinbajo, will stand in for the President during the debate? Some are saying that, oh, as long as the Vice President debates, it's okay. No, it is not okay. Throughout this administration, how many times have we seen the Vice President being allowed to do what he's supposed to do? How many times have we seen the Vice President having the guts to do the right thing? Even when he was the person in charge, even when he was the acting president, the Vice President didn't have the guts to do the right thing. Only once, when the police attacked the National Assembly, that was when for the first time as acting president, he did behave like a commander-in-chief, like the person that was in control. So the next time they want to fool us with this acting president should stand for the president, no way. The president should debate. We should hear from him. We should know what it is that he says he wants to do. Because you know what? There's really nothing he's going to do. He has come out to show you who he is. What are you waiting for? The Hausa people say that the Friday that will be good, it is from Wednesday that you will know about it. The president has shown you his capacity, his character, his everything. There's nothing in it. Are you waiting for it to be fooled another 4 years? Can Nigeria afford that? Definitely, I tell you, we cannot afford that. So at this moment, all of us should sit down and say, our Mumu don't do. He don't do pata. We should shine our eyes. Think about it. He had 3 years to do the right thing. When he knew he would come for re-election and he knows that you will matter, he didn't do anything. Is it the next 4 years that he knows that you can't do anything to him? He is not coming back for any re-election, that he will do anything? Please, be wise. Let's think about Nigeria. Let's fight for Nigeria, please.